Morning, children. Myself Jagruti Bhatia from Dr. PVT Primary Girls School English Medium. Today we learn subject English. I hope you all are safe at home. Stay home, stay safe. But learning is necessary at school or online. Today we learn something new. Look, this is a picture of nature. We can see living and non living things in nature. Things which have life are called living things. For example, human beings, birds, animals, insects, and trees. Look, this is a picture of birds. Birds are living things. Sparrow is a tiny bird. Crow is a black in color. Parrot imitate human voice. Peacock is our national bird. Hen, cock, pigeon is a messenger bird. Cuckoo can sing sweetly. Woodpecker make home in wood. Owl can see in darkness. Duck and swan can swim in water. Look, this is a picture of parrot. It is green in color. It can imitate human voice. It can learn and speak like us. So today we learn Unit 2 poem Bird Talk. This poem is written by Eileen Fisher. In this poem, two birds were sitting in the garden and they are thinking of the way people grow. People are entirely different from birds. The birds think that people are very funny because they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, and they don't like sitting on wire and things. First of all, I would like to recite this poem. You listen carefully. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Thinking about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wire and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Look, this is a picture of birds. They were sitting in the garden. Robin and Jay are name of birds. They are thinking of the way people grow. People do not have feathers, but birds have feathers on their bodies. This is a picture of feathers. People do not eat beetles. Beetles is a name of insect. Birds eat insect, but people can't. People do not grow wings, but birds have wings to fly. They have feathers on their wings. Their body is very light in weight, that's why they can fly. But people haven't wings. People have not ability to fly. They have two legs to walk, to move one place to another. People do not like sitting on wire and things, but birds can sit on wire, branches, and on things. People sit on the chairs. People can read and write. People can cook food, but birds can wandering here and there to search food. Birds live in nest. They lay eggs. They have hole on both sides of their head. They use hole to hear the sound. But people live in house. They have ear. They can hear sound by the help of ear. They give birth to young one. Birds can fly in the sky, but people can walk. So So now in this poem we can understand the difference between the birds and people. Birds can fly, people can walk. Birds have wings, people do not grow wings. Birds have beak, but people have mouth. Birds live in nest, but people live in home. Birds chirp, but people can speak. Birds can eat beetle, but people do not eat beetles. Birds have feather on their body, but people have hair on their body. Birds sit on wire and things, but people do not like to sit on wire and things. They sit on the chair. Birds have holes on their body to hear sound, but people have ear to hear sound. Now we learn the meanings. Robin is the name of bird. Jay is the name of bird. Way is a manner. Beetle means the name of an insect. To grow means to have. Wings. Funny means something that make you laugh. Now rhyming words means same sound. In this poem we learn that J, day, way, bay. Grow, no, throw. Wings, things, ring. Sing, king, wing. Eat, beat, sit. Funny, bunny, sunny. Think, pink, link. Knock, talk, walk. Now we can also learn the name with their sound. Owl, hoot. Sparrow, chirp. Parrot, screech. Duck, quack. Hen, cluck. Pigeon, coo. So thank you to watch my video.